Anybody I've ever made this recipe for loved it. So without further ado, today we're going to be making microwave Bearnaise sauce. This is everything we're going to need. I highly recommend at this point just taking everything and putting it in its own separate ramekin. For this recipe, we're using 3/4 cup of butter, 1 tablespoon minced shallot, 3 tablespoons rice vinegar, 6 egg yolks, 6 tablespoons of heavy cream, 1 1/3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon tarragon, a half teaspoon of Himalayan salt, 2 teaspoons of sriracha, and 1 tablespoon of brown mustard. We got all the ingredients ready to go. We're going to take the butter and put it in the microwave for about 20 seconds. Now that we have our butter softened, we're going to put our cream in with the butter. And then we're going to put all our other ingredients in with the white vinegar. We're going to take our whisk and whisk around the butter and the cream. Then we're going to add our 6 egg yolks to the cream and butter mixture. Now we're going to add all the other ingredients to the cream and butter and egg mixture. So we'll just keep going at 20 seconds at a time till it starts to thicken and coats the back of a spoon. We should start noticing that it's thickening now. You can see it a little bit on the edges. You don't want to overdo the time in the initial setting or it'll overcook the eggs. Oh yeah, this is exactly what we're looking for. Yeah, she's done. Oh yeah, she's coating the back of the spoon. Oh my God, that's good. So there you have it, microwave Bearnaise sauce. The best thing about this recipe is that the Bearnaise sauce can be put in a refrigerator and used as you want to use it. You know, a little at a time, all at a time. It's also, when it's chilled, good to use as the mayonnaise in deviled eggs. It's a mind blower, trust me.